In this lesson, we'll review and identifying the sentence problem. This is part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 493, question 14 out of 14. This is the only mini section. It's only 10 minutes long that you'll see on the whole test. If you were taking this test in sequence, this would be the very last problem of the whole test. Here's the sentence. Researchers tend to praise studies that agree with their own conclusions. And it is rare for kindness to be shown to contrary theories. Now, in this section, this is not identifying the error where you have to find the mistake. You have to insert the correct version of this underlined part of the sentence. Now, you have the choices in front of you. I haven't written them out. I want you to get in the habit of identifying the errors and almost predicting the answer in advance. You'll become more confident with these rules. You'll work more efficiently. So let's take a look here. We've got really two independent clauses. This first part, we have a subject. Researchers tend to praise. All right, so then we've got this action. Studies, we've got the object here that agree with their own conclusions. This is an independent clause. It's a standalone clause. And we've got the subject directly performing the action. Now we have a second part of the sentence. It's really another independent clause. And let's take a look. We've got, and it is rare for kindness to be shown to contrary theories. There are really two things wrong with this. First of all, we don't have a subject here. Whenever you're splitting up this independent clause, you have to have the subject again. And also the voice gets changed. You noticed here, the subject, the researchers, they're directly performing the action. They're praising. And it is rare for kindness to be shown. Not only do we not have a subject here, but we don't have the active voice. It turns to passive. It is rare for kindness to be shown. Part of the verb to be. You got this bulky past participle, to be shown. So let's cure it. The first part. Now we need a subject. You don't have to put the actual subject. We have researchers, but at least you need a pronoun here. So you need something like they or the researchers. And then rarely, we're going to turn that into an adverb. Show kindness to contrary theories. This is a much better choice, and you've got to cure the structure. It's not parallel, and you also have to make it the active voice. And if you look at the choices here, it is C, and C states, and they rarely show kindness. It's pretty much exactly what I wrote here. But if you just keep this in mind, this will really help you with your essay as well. Parallel structure, and always pick the active voice instead of this bulky passive voice, which makes it kind of clunky and confusing. That always take part of the verb to be. You don't want that. All right. The answer here is C. Thanks for watching. See you next time.